Okay, it's in the air. I'm Dr. Chris Schaney. I am an associate professor at IUP in the Geography, Geology, Environment, and Planning department. So we started the drone program at IUP in our department in 2018, I think it was, or 2017. And I immediately thought of this place as an application for the use of those drones. So Saxis is an area, it's a small fishing community, and it's surrounded by wetland marshes. Those marshes are really unique ecosystems. When we go out there and do work and fly drones, there's, crabbers working their crab pots, and the shorebirds that are all over the place, and it's just a really nice place to hang out.
My name is Lilee Lux and I'm a graduate student. I am analyzing the impacts of sea level rise in Saxis wildlife management area. We're using remote sensing technology, we're using orthophoto mosaics, drones.
So we have two different types of drones. One is they're quadcopters, they're pretty common. The Wingtra is different, so it takes off vertically, and then once it gets to altitude, it flattens and then flies like a wing, and so that makes it a very efficient flyer. We can stay in the air 45 minutes or an hour with good conditions and just cover, 4 times the acreage that we can with the quadcopters. But what we're trying to do is to measure these shorelines very, very precisely and accurately. And in order to do that, we have to set out GPS targets on the landform itself, and then we take ground control points using a GPS ground global positioning system that allows us to have very, very accurate points on the ground. Either I or Lilee do that ahead of time.
And then we bring that data back. I manually digitize a shoreline over the landforms that we had taken, and then through that we are able to use Excel calculations, and with the size of the area that I had digitized, going through that we're able to produce erosion rates and see not only how fast these landforms are eroding, but at what rate they are eroding and how much land is going away.
Having Lilee as the graduate student, working with her kind of in the classroom and in the field now for the last couple of years, 3 years, to watch her learn and become competent in the knowledge of remote sensing and drones is something that I find really rewarding. Just the enthusiasm of Lilee towards this project and towards her degree has really been fun to watch.
It's been a very great relationship that we've had, a very good partnership. Almost, know what the other person needs when we're out in the field. And I couldn't thank him enough, honestly, for just giving me the opportunity to be down here. Wasn't really into drones before I came to IUP, but having since done this research project with Chris, I see myself doing nothing but drones in the future.